In front of me is TCL 605 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting two apps you wish to use in this view and launching them in the background. When you finished, access background apps and decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Click on the icon of it at the top. Select split screen and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, hold this line in the middle and drag it all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button. You can also click on the same line and manage all of those options. To close split screen view, click on this icon with an arrow. To turn a lower app into pop-up view window, click on this icon here. And then to go back to split screen, use those three dots at the bottom of your window and click on split. Click on this icon here if you want to switch lower app to any other one. Just click on it. And last but not least, click on those two arrows on the left to switch places of your apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!